Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to design a pulley. This is the end product. This is the pulley that we are going to design here. So I'm going to take up the drawing area by clicking the plus icon. So this is my drawing area. After taking up the drawing area, I'm going to take up the line command. I take up the line command, I turn on the ortho mode. After turning on the ortho mode, I draw a line of 51 millimeters on the upper side. I draw a line of 51 millimeters on the upper side, and on the right side a distance of 10 millimeters. Press 10 millimeters. On the lower side a distance of 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters. Enter. Press on the left side a distance of 1 millimeters. On the lower side again a distance of 20 millimeters. On the right side again a distance of 3 millimeters. On the lower side a distance of 20.15 millimeters. Let us zoom in first. Let's zoom in for clarity purposes, and then I'll turn off the ortho mode. I'm going to turn off the ortho mode. Then I'll join this line to this line. Yeah, that way. Next I'm going to take up the line command again, once again, and I draw a line of 10 millimeters from this end point. Yeah, that is my line of 10 millimeters. Then I'll take up a 3-point arc. We take up that arc, the arc command. We give it a distance of 4 millimeters at an angle of 33 degrees to specify the second point and the third point. This is the third point. This becomes our third point here down. The center point of that 10 millimeters line. Next, I'm going to offset this arc at a distance of 4 millimeters. We offset this arc at a distance of 4 millimeters. Yeah, that way. That's great. Next, we'll take up the trim command. We take the trim command. We are going to trim that portion, that part. We trim this part. Again, we trim this part. We trim this part. Finally, we trim this portion. Yeah, that's great. You can see now we have our sketch here. Next, we are going to mirror. We are going to mirror this portion because we need a similar sketch on the other side. So I press the mirror command. I specify the sketch to mirror. This becomes my sketch. This part and this line becomes my sketch that I'm going to mirror. I spell the starting point and the end point. This becomes the starting point. This is the starting point for the mirror. This becomes the end point of the mirror command. And then you press enter. Yeah, that way. Let us delete this line because it is unnecessary right now. And then I take up the join command and join up the sketch. After joining the sketch, I'm going to draw a line, a 4.9 millimeters line from this point. Give it a distance of 4.9 millimeters, and then I press enter. Then escape. After that, we are going to revolve. We are going to revolve this section, this sketch. I'm going to revolve this sketch. So I press the revolve command. I specify the starting point and the end point. This becomes the end point. Then you press enter. After pressing enter, we are going to give it an angle of 360 degrees. So press 360 degrees, then press enter. Yeah, that way. Let us turn it to a shaded view so that you can see it very clearly. Yeah, you can see now we have our pulley. Turn off the grid, and this becomes our awesome end product. Thanks very much guys for watching my tutorial. Purpose to subscribe, comment, like and share. Be blessed.